Good morning, folks. Last views of the active region here before it turns. We've got news around the world, the solar system, and the cosmos. But first, let's come over to our quiet sun at spaceweathernews.com. We're finding the last 24 hours on our star. Not much to see except the incoming equatorial coronal hole. No solar flares or CMEs, and the solar wind here at Earth has stabilized after yesterday's intensification. All quiet now. Looking in 211 angstroms at the equatorial coronal hole, its magnetic connection to Earth should occur within 72 hours, with its solar wind due to arrive by Saturday night or Sunday. There's a great article out on Ganymede losing particles due to plasma rain from Jupiter, and that the Jupiter-Ganymede relationship is a little bit like the Sun and Earth's magnetically. Failed star Jupiter, rocky planet Ganymede in a moon position, but it is bigger than Mercury, and it's got a magnetic field, not to mention that salty ocean underground they discovered a few years ago. That might matter in some respect. Maybe. Let's come to RSOE and find another lightning event. 13 dead in this one, and it's already moved on to cause flash flooding to the east near Cambodia. Bit of relief as scientists confirm many of the major volcano eruption signals that play out before the big ones. You've been hearing a lot of this, it will let us know over here in the last few days. Also on that quick hits front, nice motion image of the Large Magellanic Cloud. It does indeed rotate nicely, tracing stars like this. Top story is a bit like the Ganymede one. Back to TRAPPIST-1. It's basically a massive version of the Jupiter system. All the planets are roughly Earth, Venus, and Mars size, and they all have water. Inner planets expected to be around 15%, while the outer planets could be up to 50% water. By the way, Earth is less than 1% water by mass. In terms of sunlight and planetary mass, we do see a couple of them coming pretty close to Earth. One of those, E, is the subject today, so not only should it be about Earth's size and have much more water than Earth, but it is a cloudy planet in all likelihood, and probably has a large iron core. Fairly awesome discovery. One of the things not on the discovered list, dark matter, following up the colliders, satellites, detectors, ice cubes, sensei, dark side, argon, xenon, etc. We've now got the Super CDEMS mission also constraining the dark matter particle, which remains elusive and outside of their grasp. It's not really outside their reach, they've just tricked themselves a bit, but that's another story. We've got your wind maps and shots of our star to close. We greatly appreciate your support. We'll do this all again tomorrow, right here, but right now it's 4:50 a.m. in the new Valley of the Sun. Eyes open, no fear. Be safe, everyone.